nebula?
But that's halfway across the galaxy.
A big door. Opening and closing. Let's see. Callian Abyss. Montresor Spaceport. So that's how Flint did it. He used his portal to roam the universe, stealing treasure.
But where'd he stash it all? Where's that blasted treasure?
Treasure! It's buried in the centroid of the mechanism. What if the whole planet is the mechanism, and the treasure is buried in the center of this planet?
And how in blue blazes are we supposed to get there?
Just open the right door.